Hello, welcome back to Beauty. Today I have a shoe unboxing for you, and it is by XYLondon. I will link all the links down below just as usual. I got this package here, and you know I like to be transparent with all my videos, so yes, this is sponsored. So a big thank you to everyone at XYLondon, and especially to Julie who set all this up. And I ordered some, what do you call that, like Chelsea boots. They have a lot of different shoes. They have sandals, they have high heels, they have boots, they have everything. So in case you want to check them out, like I said, I will link the page down below, and this is the box it came. So this is what the box looks like. Oh, wrong way. There you go. SX Glam. So I'm very excited. Oh, I love the color. Like I love turquoise greenish stuff. What's this all say? SX Glam. Thank you for choosing SX Glam footwear, which has been designed using the finest quality material. I specifically choose non-leather shoes, but if what you want to do, you can do it. And they are here. Everything is packed so nice. Oh my god, they look great. Oh my god. They look amazing. Wow. Wow. So here's one. Also, they look so cute. My god. Other one. They look amazing. Hold on. I really hope they fit. They should fit, because I give them my size, so they fit like a fucking glove. Oh my god. So of course I don't have anything fancy on, but can tell. Oh, you can't. Oh, there you go. They are so cool. So I love the fact that they have like a bit of a heel, because I'm not very tall. But yeah, I cannot wait to try them and just to wear them a bit more and to style them with different things. Because the thing is, the weather here is, I mean, it's typical April. So you have some sun, you have some rain. Currently it's raining and just no sun at all. So yeah, I cannot wait to try these. Or not to try this, but to wear them and just to see. Just to see how they actually last, basically, because most times with new shoes I get like my feet hurt afterwards. They smell a bit like plastic. It's not real leather, so it's like a plastic material. I don't know what it is exactly. Wait, maybe it says in the box. Like synthetic leather. I actually had these. Well, I'm talking about, I had these. I have these. They're like cardboard boots like this, but they are so old. So maybe, I mean, if these are comfortable, which I hope they are, they probably are, then these will be replaced. Oh god, I'm very excited to wear these. The only thing I hate about Chelsea boots is that you don't have a like zip or something, so you literally have to push your whole foot in, and then hope you don't get a cramp. But so far, I'm very excited. And if you follow me on Tumblr, on Instagram, on Twitter, you will see these shoes, like for sure. So thank you again, XYLondon, for sending them to me, and Julie for setting this up. Like, I'm so excited. Literally, I've been wanting new shoes for the longest time, and normally I always go for sneakers, but I feel, you know, I should go for something fancier, and these are very beautiful. As far as I can tell, like, I'm not a shoe connoisseur, connoisseurs, female, but it is actually really good quality for it being synthetic leather. I don't know, they feel nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to check out XYLondon. I will link everything down below, and let me know, like, even if you don't buy anything, if you go to their store, their web store, tell me what kind of shoes you are interested in, because I would definitely buy some more. I mean, these are very good quality. I would definitely buy some more. So please, no flats, because I cannot walk in flats. But on that, let me know what you think, what your favorites are, and it's my next video. Bye.